Hey guys, so I thought today we can go over our ABCs. Right here I made a PowerPoint slideshow and we're just going to go over our ABCs, and then after this I'm going to do a few tricks with you guys with my dog. We're going to do some tricks with Belle. So let's get started. Here's our ABCs. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cow. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo and heart. I is for ice and ice cream. J is for juice and jellyfish. K is for kite and kick. L is for lollipop and lion. M is for monsters and monkey. N is for nest and nose. O is for octopus and owl. P is for peach and pig. Q is for queen and quick. R is for rabbit and rainbow. S is for snail and swimming. T is for turtle and tiger. U is for umbrella and unicorn. V is for volcano and violin. W is for worm and world. X is for x-ray. Y is for the color yellow. And Y is also for yolk. Yolk is the yellow part. Z is for zoo, and Z is for zipper, or zip. And that's it. Now we're going to do some tricks with Belle. Give me 1 minute. Okay, here is my dog, Belle. This is Belle. This is one of my dogs. And over here is Rufus. Now I'm going to do some tricks with Belle. And Rufus will probably come over here and want to do it too. So, here's a dog treat. It's bacon for dogs. So let's ask Belle to shake my hand. Belle, shake. Good girl. Other paw. Good girl. Rufus, come here. Rufus, sit. Sit. Shake. Oh, you gave me both paws right away. Good job, Rufus. Belle, sit. Belle, sit. Now, lay down. Lay down. Good girl. Let's get one more for Rufus. Rufus, sit. 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 No. Sit. Good job, Rufus. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl, Belle. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good job, Rufus. There you go, guys. Bye, Belle. Bye, Rufus.